What we are there to do is to describe the attack. When we are using groin protection, she starts to hit me to the groin. And I am just keeping here because I think it was not hard enough. So then she just keep on, oh, this cannot be, I cannot make this work. Okay? Then there comes the coach. Okay, let's see what's the problem with that one. And then what the coach does is that they're keeping it here, but what they're actually doing is that they're grabbing from the inner thigh so that the fingers go through the flesh. And then, of course, if there's a person who is holding, just drag your fingers there and just do this, and then just hit to the chin as hard as you can. And then, you just didn't want to play along with this. And of course, you can also do that. Okay, let's take the groin protection off and let's see how it goes. And then they're attacking like this. Okay, you cannot hit me to the groin. No, I cannot, but now I can hit you to the chin because the chin is right there. Play stupid games, win stupid prizes. Even though this might not drop me to the ground, it is certainly when the force comes here, it is doing this and it's opening stuff up. And it's extremely important to do this slow in slow motion. So describing this in slow, I'm keeping this in slow, to understand what we are doing. We cannot go into actually, choking people in all of the training, but what you can do here is that once you place your hands here, I'm not squeezing with my fingers, but I am sort of like placing my fingers together. I'm pressing them together, which means that my hands are quite tight. But when I'm being a good training partner here, we do sort of like a threshold test. Is this still not too uncomfortable? It must be a little uncomfortable, but not too uncomfortable. Be a good training partner. Describe the problem very clearly. Do them in slow motion. And then when it starts to feel like, okay, let's do this in full motion, now it is time to gear up. Helmets, neck guards, protective suits, so that you can do very close to a full force exercises. Hit like, hit subscribe, and follow us for more.